Big news from OpenAI. They just launched AgentKit, a complete toolbox for developers and the enterprises that helps you build, deploy, and optimize AI agents. Until now, building production-ready agents meant juggling messy orchestrations, no versioning, custom connectors, manual evals, and endless prompt tuning. That's all about to change, guys. Hi guys, I'm Amrit Raj, and this is the only video you need to watch to understand OpenAI's AgentKit. Today, I will break down what AgentKit is, its main tools like Agent Builder, Connector Registry, ChatKit, and new evals, and why this could save teams months of work. Let us start with what AgentKit is. AgentKit is an all-in-one toolkit that lets you, number one, design workflows visually with Agent Builder. Number two, helps you connect and govern data securely with a new connector registry. Number three, it lets you embed chat-based agent UIs straight into your product using ChatKit. And finally, it lets you measure, improve, and fine-tune your agents using upgraded evals. Basically, you can think of AgentKit as your AI agent factory from idea to production all in one place. Now let us look at all these features one by one. First up, Agent Builder. It's a drag and drop visual canvas to create and version multi-agent workflows. As agent workflows grow more complex, developers need clearer visibility into how they work. Agent Builder provides a visual canvas for composing logic with drag and drop nodes, connecting tools, and configuring custom guardrails. It supports preview runs, inline evaluation configurations, and full versioning, ideal for fast iteration. Sounds too technical, right? Let me explain this with a real-life example. At Ramp, a Manhattan-based multinational financial technology company, the team went from a blank canvas to a buyer agent in just few hours. They said that Agent Builder transformed what once took months of complex orchestrations, custom code, and manual optimizations into just a couple of hours. That is massive productivity, guys. They also said that the visual canvas keeps product, legal, and engineering on the same page, slashing iteration cycles by 70% and getting an agent live up in just 2 sprints rather than 2 quarters. Similarly, LY Corporation, a leading Japanese technology and internet service company, built a work assistant agent with Agent Builder in less than 2 hours. They said that Agent Builder allowed us to orchestrate agents in a whole new way, with engineers and subject matter experts collaborating all in one interface. They said that they built their first multi-agentic workflows and ran it in less than 2 hours, dramatically accelerating the time to create and deploy agents. And the best part is, guys, developers can also enable guardrails in Agent Builder, an open source modular safety layer that helps to protect agents against unintended or malicious behavior. So basically, this tells us that Agent Builder is being used at enterprise level and it is proving to be highly productive. Now let us move to the second feature, the connector registry. It's a central hub for admins to manage how data sources and tools connect across OpenAI products. It consolidates connectors like Dropbox, Google Drive, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, plus third-party MCP connectors, all in one secure admin panel. This especially is useful for enterprises with multiple workspaces or orgs that need consistent data governance. Now moving to the third feature and my favorite one, the ChatKit. Deploying a great chat-based agent UI often takes weeks of front-end work. ChatKit makes it almost plug and play. It handles streaming responses, threads, and model thinking view. It is fully customizable to match your product's theme and brand. And the best part is, guys, it works for internal knowledge assistants, onboarding guides, support bots, and research agents. To put this into perspective, Canva built and embedded a developer support agent in under an hour using ChatKit, saving more than 2 weeks of build time. That is totally crazy, guys. Now, moving to the fourth feature, new evals capabilities. OpenAI is also expanding evals to help you measure and improve agent performance. They have added 4 new capabilities that make it even easier to build evals. Let us look at them one by one. Number 1, dataset. With this, you can rapidly build agent evals from scratch and expand them over time with automated graders and human annotations. Number 2, trace grading. With this, you can run end-to-end assessments of agentic workflows and automate grading to pinpoint shortcomings. Number 3, automated prompt optimization. With this, you can generate improved prompts based on human annotations and greater outputs. Number 4, third-party model support. With this, you can evaluate models from other providers with the OpenAI's Evals platform. Customers like Carlyle, a global investment firm, cut development time by 50% and boosted agent accuracy by 30% using these new tools. This brings us to the final feature, guys, which is reinforcement fine-tuning. It lets developers customize reasoning models. It is generally available on OpenAI O4 Mini and in private beta for GPT-5. OpenAI is working closely with dozens of customers to refine the RFT for GPT-5 before wider release. They also introduced 2 new features in the RFT beta designed to push agent performance even further. These are custom tool calls, basically that trains models to call the right tools at the right time for better reasoning, and custom graders. These basically set custom evaluation criteria for what matters most in your use case. And guys, now that we have reached the end, we need to talk about pricing and availability. Starting today, ChatKit and the new eval capabilities are generally available to all developers. But Agent Builder is available in beta, and Connector Registry is beginning its beta rollout to some API, ChatGPT enterprises and Edu customers with a global admin console. The global admin console is a prerequisite to enabling Connector Registry. And all these tools are included with standard API model pricing. An important point to note is that, guys, a workflows API and agent deployment inside ChatGPT are coming very soon. To conclude, I would say with AgentKit, OpenAI is taking agent development from months to hours, bringing the workflow design, data connectors, evals, and chat UIs all under one roof. One more thing I'm very excited about is how ChatGPT's AgentKit will compete with the automation tools like N8N, Zapier, and Make.com. It will be also interesting to see how teams use this to build research agents, customer support bots, sales copilot, and much more. What agent would you build with this AgentKit? Let us know in comments. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the subscribe button for more deep dives into latest AI tools. Thanks for watching and happy building.